Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Realme C53. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C53 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C53 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say system. Simply click over there and then you will find here something say date and time. Now you can see if I try to change date and time, this is invisible. If you decide to set manual date and time, first of all you need to turn off this set time automatically. Just simply turn this off and now you can easily change date and time. For example, I want to change the date and time. For example, I would like to change 2024 and I want to make it like example August or June 1, and I'm going to click here OK. And also I would like to set the time. I want to make it 22 and I'm going to click here 22:55 and then I'm going to click here OK. Now if I go back, we'll see now my phone is going to appear new date and time, which is really quite interesting. So in this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Realme C53. But I will definitely suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. For example, you are in London and you went to Dubai. So whenever you reach in Dubai, whenever your phone is going to connect with the local network or with the Wi-Fi or with the SIM, etc., that phone going to automatically appear your that particular local area time. So it's might be very important for you. So for that we need to turn on automatically date and time. So I'm going to click here again, setting, and then system, date and time, and then I'm going to turn this on. So in this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Realme C53. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.